Every single time a new AI breakthrough hits the headlines, the exact same wave of anxiety rolls over the world. Will AI replace our jobs? Will it replace creators? Will it replace entire businesses? Will it eventually replace us? But honestly, I think we're asking completely the wrong question. See, when we hear that word, replace, our brains automatically imagine a movie scene, something sudden and dramatic. One day you have a secure job, and the next day you don't. One day you are deeply valuable, and the next day you are obsolete. But real life rarely moves that way. True change doesn't happen with a loud explosion. It happens quietly, gradually, almost unnoticed. Until one day you look around and realize the entire landscape is different. And that is exactly what is happening right now. AI isn't suddenly marching in to take over your desk, but it is fundamentally changing what a single human being is capable of accomplishing. Think about it. Right now, one person can do things that used to require a whole department. A single creator can produce high-quality content in minutes. A small business owner can automate their customer support overnight. A marketer can build a full campaign in a single afternoon instead of waiting weeks. The technology isn't taking the person's place. It's acting like a massive amplifier for their effort. It is multiplying what that person can do. And throughout human history, technology has always done this. It shifts the value of our skills. The internet did it, smartphones did it, social media did it. And now, AI is doing the exact same thing on a much bigger scale. The people who leaned in and adapted gained an incredible advantage. The people who ignored it didn't fail because they weren't capable. They struggled simply because the world changed around them while they stood still. So let's stop talking about whether AI will replace you. Let's start having the real conversation. Are you willing to learn how to work alongside it? Because here is the truth. AI still needs you. It desperately needs human direction. It needs your judgment, your unique creativity, your decision-making, and your deep understanding of other people. A tool can generate 1,000 answers, but it has no idea which answer actually matters. A tool can write a piece of content, but it doesn't know how to make an audience truly feel something. A tool can give you 20 different options, but it doesn't have to live with the consequences of those choices. You do. The future isn't going to belong to the people who fight against technology and refuse to touch it. But it won't belong to the people who blindly depend on it either. The future belongs to the matchmakers, the people who figure out how to combine raw human intuition with modern technological power, the ones who stay curious, the ones who stay adaptable. Adaptability has always been the ultimate human superpower, and right now it is worth more than ever before. So no, I don't think AI is coming to replace everyone. But I do know with absolute certainty that the people who learn to use AI effectively will completely outperform the people who choose to ignore it. Not because they are smarter, but simply because they are using better leverage. And throughout history, the person with the best leverage always wins the game. The wave isn't coming, it's already here. The real question is, how are you going to choose to use it? Because your answer to that single question will shape your future far more than the technology ever could. If you are ready to build that future instead of fearing it, hit that subscribe button and let's master this new world together. I'll see you in the next video.